It's time to do some strumming practice on the ukulele. This is a short chord strumming practice for the ukulele, and the chords you're going to need to know are C major, A minor, F major, and G major. For strumming, I'm going to use the method I call pretend you're holding a pick. It looks like you're holding a guitar pick, but you're actually not. When you strum down, you use your pointer fingernail, and when you go up, you use your thumbnail, like that. If you don't already know these chords, make sure you check out my ukulele series for beginners or adults. As always, make sure your ukulele is in tune so that it sounds good. Also, you can use a strap. That's very helpful. I made this one out of duct tape. So this is going to be a play along / jam session. We're going to do 4 measures of each chord using different strumming patterns. Now, if you want to get better at the ukulele, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next awesome video that will help you to develop your ukulele skills.